Hey, so I just finished reading Libertarian Reaction by Insula Key. Um, a while back I read Insula Key's other book, Anarcho-Monarchism, which was a very interesting read. This one was also very interesting. It's kind of Hoppian. Um, it's very much about maintaining society and preventing civilizational decay. Um, there's a section in there about essentially ethno-nationalism by libertarian means, and how actually if you have a libertarian society, mini ethno-states will rise up and form anyway. So that's interesting. He also has a whole the last section has four subsections that all discuss civilizational decay and the causes, the symptoms, substitutes, and solutions. And so that was it's an interesting take from a libertarian, because you generally get that kind of concept discussed by conservatives or by fascists, even by monarchists. He discusses. This is actually a pretty thick book. It's a little thicker than Anarcho-Monarchism. But he discusses how libertarian economics are not incompatible with conservative values, and how a libertarian society would actually solve a lot of problems that conservatives complain about. He also comes up with a unique method of ensuring public property through what he calls reverse property rights, which is a very interesting concept, and I'm not quite sure I totally grasp it. But essentially, if you abuse a property, you have to disabuse it in order to regain its value. And so you have a duty to do that in order to, make back the value that was lost. And so by collectivizing this sort of system, everyone who uses a property has a duty to disabuse it, to maintain it as such, and therefore it remains public. So it maintains its value for all to use, for future generations and whatnot. That was a very interesting argument that was put forward. I got this book actually as a counter to another book that I am close to finishing reading, but not quite close enough. I still have like 2 or 3 chapters left, and the chapters, I thought it was going to be a short book. It's only 100, a little over 100 pages, but it's so densely written, and it's of course Anarcho-Syndicalism Theory and Practice by Rudolf Rocker. So I got that left-wing book and this right-wing book as counters to each other. So yeah, and I will be reviewing Anarcho-Syndicalism Theory and Practice by Rudolf Rocker as soon as I finish reading it. I have some critiques already. Yeah, that's about all. Thank you for watching. Peace.